Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of modern lady jewelry. If you're looking for inspiration to elevate your accessory game, you're in the right place. From minimalist necklaces to statement earrings, I'll be sharing some inspiring ideas that blend style and creativity. So grab your materials, and let's get started on crafting stunning pieces that reflect your unique personality. Here are some inspiring ideas for modern lady jewelry. 1. Minimalist necklaces. Design: simple chains with small pendants, such as geometric shapes or initials. Materials: gold or silver with a polished finish for a sleek look. 2. Stackable rings. Style: mix and match different textures and metals. Details: incorporate gemstones or engravings for personalization. 3. Statement earrings. Design: bold, oversized styles using mixed materials like acrylic and metal. Trends: asymmetrical designs for a unique touch. 4. Charm bracelets. Style: personalized with charms that represent hobbies, memories, or milestones. Materials: a mix of metals and colorful beads for added flair. 5. Layered chains. Trend: layer multiple necklaces of varying lengths. Details: combine different styles, such as chokers with longer chains. 6. Cuff bracelets. Design: sleek cuffs that can be worn alone or stacked. Personalization: add engravings or inlays for a custom touch. 7. Nature-inspired pieces. Style: jewelry that incorporates floral motifs or natural stones. Details: use recycled materials to enhance the eco-friendly aspect. 8. Geometric designs. Design: angular shapes and lines for a modern aesthetic. Materials: use mixed metals or colorful enamel for contrast. 9. Vintage revival. Trend: modern takes on vintage styles, like Art Deco or Victorian influences. Details: use contemporary materials while retaining classic designs. 10. Personalized lockets. Style: modern lockets that can hold photos or meaningful messages. Design: sleek and streamlined with a contemporary finish. Tips for creating your own jewelry: experiment with materials. Try using unconventional materials like resin or recycled metals. Focus on personalization. Incorporate elements that reflect personal style or meaningful symbols. Stay updated on trends. Follow fashion influencers or jewelry designers for the latest inspirations. And that's a wrap on our inspiring jewelry ideas for the modern lady. I hope you found some creative sparks to ignite your jewelry making journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fabulous DIY content. I'd love to see your jewelry creations, so share them in the comments or tag me on social media. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy crafting!